Two of the very popular products out in the market when you're not looking at vinyl would be James Hardie fiber cement as well as wood siding. Or an engineered wood type siding. I get asked about both. And I will tell you that with the engineered wood siding and the fact that we live in St. Louis in the Midwest, we get all 4 seasons of weather, typically have very high humidity throughout the spring and summer. We have a lot of freeze thaw cycles in the wintertime. Wood siding just isn't a great fit for our climate. It does expand and contract. It's going to swell. It wicks up moisture. It just does all the things that wood is designed to do. So we typically do not recommend any sort of wood-based products for exterior envelope in our market. We tend to always go towards James Hardie fiber cement. Because it's designed to handle the elements. It's actually engineered differently depending on what part of the country you live in. So it shows that James Hardie is putting research and development into making their product withstand the harsh winter climate that we have, as well as the hot, humid summer. And so with James Hardie, you put it on, and for the next 30 years, you just don't have to worry about any of those elements wreaking havoc on it. Even vinyl siding in the wintertime gets brittle and can tend to break and crack, whereas Hardie is pretty well impervious to that. There's zero expansion contraction in it. There's no movement. It'll never rot, swell. I would say James Hardie over wood siding and really most other siding envelope products is the best fit for St. Louis. If you love the look of wood siding, James Hardie is a great fit for that because they do have a cedar mill product, which is a wood grain texture. It has the lap profile of wood siding. And really, most people that don't know their products, when they see James Hardie, they assume it's wood. And to me, that's a nice compliment. I mean, I love the look of wood siding. It just doesn't hold up. Even within a couple years of being installed, you can start to see swelling and edge checking and expansive contraction that happens because of all the different weather we have in St. Louis. And so that's what I love about James Hardie is I want the home to look like a classic wood-sided home. I just don't want to have all the maintenance and the early replacement and woodpeckers and insects and things like that come with it.